Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect MetaMask with NFT, updated. Open your MetaMask extension and unlock your wallet, then navigate to the NFT platform you want to use and connect using the Connect Wallet button. Confirm the connection in MetaMask and verify the site URL to avoid scams. If needed, add a custom token or network by pasting the contract or RPC details, and always keep small test funds for gas checks. Unlock MetaMask and open the site you want to use, then choose Connect Wallet and pick MetaMask. A pop-up will ask for account selection and permission. Pick the right account and approve only the necessary permissions. If the site asks for a signature, read the exact text before confirming and never sign transactions that transfer funds unless you initiated them. Keep your seed phrase private and use hardware wallets for larger collections. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps me out and keeps more guides coming. Quick recommendation: grab The Simple Path to Wealth if you want a clearer way to think about money and investing. It pairs nicely with learning to manage crypto value responsibly. I place the link and other deals in the description for easy access. Now let's get back to the video. If connecting fails, try refreshing, switching accounts, or reconnecting after clearing site data in MetaMask. Check your network and add a custom RPC if the marketplace uses a less common chain, and ensure you hold the chain token for gas. When signing messages, only approve readable authentication requests, refuse vague or transfer-like signatures. For significant activity, use a hardware wallet and enable MetaMask auto-lock for improved safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.